KICKASSETS. Cha-ching!
中見られるのって今聞かれたんですけども、内見とかはできますかしら。あ、大丈夫。なんか玄関にキーボックスが来てるっていう。
What do you know?
あ、今終わって出てきた時にこれ持ってるのっていうから売ってますよ。
What are the odds of that? The other house online for sale happens to be next door.
いいです。
What are the odds of that? That's crazy.
はい、はい。
All right. Let's see. House number 2.
あ、そうですよね。
Oh, same address. 2418.
あ、
All right. We're going to check out another house.
はい。あ、そうなんです。あ、わかりました。お願いします。失礼します。はーい。
Ooh. Oh my goodness gracious.
すごいね。
すごいね。
いや
入らない方がいいです。
ー、いい、私ここで待って。
やばい。Now here we go. Here's one of those beautiful houses we always talk about. You buy them on the spot. This great place here. Today we're going to have a lesson in Sarcasm 101. Hey, look, there's a tack on the floor. That's how you keep it down. Well, 9-day difference between the houses, huh? Yeah. Well, the ceiling's nice. I mean, you could change the flooring here and you can make it a nice room. It's just like, what the heck? Bathroom. There's a sink in the bathroom. Oh my goodness, this place, oh, the floor is not so good. Look at this brand new sexy kitchen. Wow. Hi. Hi. ありがとうございます。This place has got holes in the wall. That's funny, this place is in worse condition, but at least the stairs don't make any noise. Or do they? Windows left open. That's one way to keep your car from not being stolen. Putting giant logs on it. Or blowing away in the wind. You never know, right? Sarcasm aside, that's really weird. The car looks like it's in decent shape, but why does it have those paperweights on there? Sorry, log weights. It's funny, paperweight. Paper comes from trees. Wow. Oh, hey, look, they were cleaning this place. Good luck with that. Like, what are they thinking? What are they thinking? Yeah, you could technically make this room nice and stuff, but technically, do you want to? I don't know. The rooms are kind of small. Oh, this is the entire house. This place is really small. Yeah, not gonna happen. Should I buy this house? What do you think? What are the good points? The ceiling comes with a curtain rail. Look at this beautiful rail. It's pretty cool until you get down here where it just falls right off. Like, how does that even happen? Well, at least got a hole. And you can see the balcony of the other house. Well, I get to see 2 houses in one today. Once again, should I buy this house? Hint, I don't think it's going to sell too quickly anyway. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Here's that view again. It's a beautiful day. Give it that. That's a good picture, actually. Let me get a picture of that. If you ever feel logged down, or is it bogged down? Yeah. Did I not see the Let's check what's down here one more time. The only solid part of these railings and the staircase. Oh yeah, I did see the showroom. Let's get a brand new kitchen here, folks. Yeah, this place is rocking. Look at that. Let's see what's inside here. Oh my goodness gracious. Still got knives in here. Ooh. Can you read that? The light's getting in the way, so it says Ha Na Muke. What else we got here? 3 knives here. Interesting. Well, after buying this place, if you don't really like it anymore, you can off yourself. I shouldn't say stuff like that. I'm just kidding. Oh, there's the toilet. Well, that's great access. To access the toilet, I have to like squeeze here on the side. Oh my goodness gracious. This is one of the houses I'm viewing. Maybe we should add this to the course. What not to buy? Like, who designed this shit? Oh my goodness. Some people's thinking is just simply amazing. Yeah. The tiles are kind of clean actually, which is kind of weird. Like the rest of the place is falling apart. Like, let's put a random sink in the bathroom. And not to be rude, but when people are designing the old houses, were the people just not the brightest or what? I'm like what kind of decision? Let's put a sink there. You already got a sink over here. If you really need to sink that badly, just go use that sink over there. Wouldn't you rather have just a space to shower and relax? Just like, I don't get it, man. I do not get it. Hope I don't get sick from this place. Anyhow, it is what it is. Thank you for enjoying this wonderful viewing and house. Ugh, stinks. Interesting. Little closely block here, so here's the block of the house. This place is all an all dinky place. What are the odds of that? They change this old crap hole of a house. He's an all dinky. Like, what is the actual purpose of that? Oh shit. That's weird. This place says only has a certain amount of land, but there's a lot of space out here for a bike and stuff. Oh well. Yeah, it's not happening. I mean, I suppose you could have some potential, but there's just too many bad things about the place, and yeah, I don't want to ruin the fun, but I'm not liking getting this one. Hey, but you never know. I usually make my videos to trick you, don't I? So we'll find out in the end, won't we? Well, let's just lock up this place and say goodbye. No, thank you. Well, that's a nice way to stop people from using the top lock. Okay, let me lock this door if I can. All right, have a nice day. Shared assets. Cha-ching.